Hello and welcome to this guide on creating an RX in Eyefinity EHR. In this video, we're actually going to create 3 RXs, one for glasses, one for soft contacts, and one for an RGP hybrid lens. Let's get started. First, we're going to go to the vision exam room. From here, we'll take a look at the tabs along the side and we're going to click refractions. We already have a manifest refraction we've created for this patient, so we'll click Create Final RX. This will take us to the glasses and contacts area, where we can edit the RX details and add prisms or monocular PD. For fitting details, you can actually ignore this section, as you'll want to record things like seg height from the practice management side of the platform. Moving along to additional details, you can specify binocular PD here as well as any lens options down below. This information will be sent over to the practice management system. Like fitting details, you can actually ignore lens and frame details because you'll want to handle this information from the practice management side, where the frame and lens database can be found. Finally, special instructions is an area where you can include a note that will be sent over with the RX to the practice management side. So if you wanted to recommend a polycarbonate or Trivex lens or some other details for the optician to see, you could do that here. Now that we're finished, we'll click Save. So as we can see right here, we just created the final glasses refraction, and if we wanted to send this over to the practice management side of the platform, we'd just click Send right here. We could also print the RX out and hand it to the patient. Next, let's go ahead and create an RX for soft contacts. We can see here a trial has already been created. If we wanted to, we could send this trial over to the practice management side or print the trial RX. Right now though, we'll say the patient is happy with this trial and we're going to create a final RX from it. So with that single click, we now have the final contact lens RX down here. We can click Send RX to send it over to the practice management side, or we can print it for the patient. Alright, 2 down, 1 to go. Let's go to the RGP hybrid contact lens section and create our final RX. Here we have our trial RGP that's already been created, so to create our final RX, we'll click Create Final RX. Up here we get a notification, so we'll select OK. Now the final RGP RX has been created, but what if we want to review it? While it's not visible on this screen, we can go to the Glasses and Contacts section to take a closer look. To get there, we'll click here to head back to the visit note, and then we'll click Glasses and Contacts. Taking a look at the tabs here, we'll click RGP Hybrid Contacts. And here is our RX, which we can send or print. While we're here, the Glasses and Contacts section is another area where you can create a final RX. Let's quickly hop back up to refractions, and you can see we have a manifest refraction we can use to create a new RX for glasses or soft contacts. If we wanted to create a final RX from a soft contact or RGP hybrid trial like we did a minute ago, we could do that by clicking Trials and then clicking New Soft Contacts or New RGP Hybrid. Whether you create final RXs here or in the vision exam, it's all the same. I recommend trying both to see what works best for your workflow. Thanks for watching this video on creating an RX in Eyefinity EHR.